Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about growing bamboo. Now, bamboo is such a beautiful garden plant, and it makes a great hedge or a great garden container plant, and it can be pretty much grown anywhere that grass can be grown. In fact, bamboo is not a tree. It's actually a grass, just like the grass in your lawn, and it grows in the same conditions. It needs full hot sun and good drainage. There's two different types of bamboo, and you've got to be very careful which ones that you grow, because if you grow the running ones, they'll take over, they're invasive, whereas the clumping bamboos are not. Running bamboo will take over an area, so you have to be really, really careful where you grow it, and you want to keep it contained at all times. You do not want to put it in the ground because it will take over and get into other areas, and you'll never get rid of it. Whereas clumping bamboo, like this Fargesia right here, will get 8, 10, 20 feet tall, but it clumps, so it doesn't run, and it'll just stay very contained. So you can put it right in the ground, and it won't take over, and you can divide it really easily. Either way, bamboo is easy to grow. You just got to make sure that you put the right bamboo in the right place, and never put a running bamboo right in the ground. Put it in a container and contain it. The clumping bamboos get really tall, and they make great hedges right into the ground, and they won't take over an area. So you can plant them pretty much any time of the year and give them lots of water in the summer, but outside of that, bamboos are one of the most easiest plants you can grow.